Okay.
2, 1, go. Hi guys, this is my marble run. You have to see how fast it goes and how it works. It goes left, right, tornado, and then just to a pile of marbles. And you have to see how it works. This is the first marble we are going to roll. And now it's a handful time. Handful now. And now I'm doing the Aggies. Here they are. Let's pick up some of the marbles, tiny ones. Then Aggies. Aggies go first. Boom, boom, boom.